Classification of trees. At the end of this presentation, students should be able to discuss the main classification of trees and differentiate between hardwoods and softwoods. Introduction. Trees, like any other natural material, can, when demand exceeds supply, face the danger of being depleted from overfelling and harvesting. A tree may take between 30 to 100 years to reach a stage when it is regarded as being suitable for felling. Sustainable or renewable supplies of timber have for many years been taken from managed forests. These forests are planted and cared for like any other crop, then harvested at the right time. Timber classification. Now there are two main types of woods, namely hardwoods and softwoods. The terms bear minimum, if any, relation to the softness or hardness of the material. Let's look at hardwoods. Hardwood come from a botanical group of trees known as angiosperms, literally a flowering plant in which the sex organs are within flowers and the seeds are in a fruit. These trees have flowers and produce seeds, such as nuts and fruit. Examples include oak, beech, and mahogany. They are known as deciduous or leaf-shedding trees which have broad leaves. Some hardwoods are also considered as evergreen. The diagram shows you a typical example of the elements that relates to hardwood. Now, hardwoods are denser than softwoods and are stronger and more durable too. They are used for furniture making. They are also much more expensive than softwood. As can be seen by the diagram, we are seeing the botanical grouping when we're looking at the angiosperm, which is the scientific term that relates to softwoods. So we see the leaf group, which is deciduous and evergreen, leaf shape, which is broadleaf, seed, which is encased as shown, general usage, paper and card, plywood, veneers and core, particle board, timber, heavy structural decorative joinery, and trade use, purpose-made joinery or shop fitting. Softwoods. Softwoods come from a botanical group known as gymnosperm. Softwoods are described as coniferous or cone-bearing trees with needle-shaped leaves and are generally classified as evergreen trees. Softwoods can be used for furniture and doors, but are mostly used in the construction sector for roof trusses and stud partitions. Now the botanical grouping are such that the leaf group is evergreen, leaf shape is needle leaf or scale-like, the seed is naked via a cone as shown, general usage, paper and card, plywood, veneer and core, particle board, fiberboard, timber, general structural joinery. Trade use, carpentry and joinery in general. Now there are a number of different types of hardwoods and softwoods. Some of these are indicated here, where types of hardwoods include European oak, mahogany, chestnut, ash, beech, teak, mahoe and guango. Types of softwoods include European redwood, European whitewood, Western hemlock, Douglas fir, Western red cedar, Parana pine, spruce, and pine in general. This concludes my presentation. These are my references. Thank you.